we go to observations, number 3. This is where you enter your observations, your findings on VirtueDiscs. So we start to click on the plus sign here for each group of species or species you want to add. The easiest way, if you are not quite comfortable to identify a single species, select group of species. Snails, amphipods, barnacles, etc. 13 different group of species. And note that we have specific groups like leaf algae and filamentous algae. These are not systematic groups, of course, but to make it easier to identify what you can find on the discs. So let's say we choose barnacles. Decide whether you are totally confident or quite confident or a bit unsure. Let's say I'm quite confident that it is actually barnacles I have found. Then the quantity. Let's say you find 56. Oh, that takes a lot of time to count. Maybe there are several hundreds of them. It can happen. Then choose coverage instead. That is the percentage of barnacles covering the area of the disc. Say 40% is covered. Then add some kind of picture or drawings. Which symbolize what you have found, like this one. Now it's uploaded. Of course you can add more. At last, comments. If you have specific comments to these species.